guys, KateTheGr8 here, back with another video. And guys, we just gonna get into this today, no rambling. So here I am going and spraying my hair with just water. There's a little bit of hair oil in there too, but you know, mostly just water, making sure the back of my hair especially is nice and wet, so brushing will be easier. So I went in with my Demon brush to kind of get some of those, you know, little curl knots and curl lumps out of my hair. And then I got my regular brush. But, you know, making sure it's all slick, I start from the back, then I move to the front. And then went ahead and got my gel, making sure everything is nice and gelled. I always start at the back, like I said. And I will be inserting a picture of the gel I used, because, I don't know, it's more like a lightweight gel, and it really does help me out a lot. But gel on my hair, I go in with my bristle brush and I kind of just, you know, make sure everything is nice and slick. Kind of showing y'all a better view of the back of my hair. Brushed my ear a little too hard earlier. Oops. But, you know, making sure we are nice and good. And yeah. So now, as you can see, I'm making sure everything is looking okay. No curl lumps, no bumps, nothing like that. And then, as I bring my hair to the top, I am going to grab my scrunchie, which y'all are going to see. Yep, there it is. And y'all can use any kind of hairband, but the scrunchie was just the best thing that I found at that moment. And it's been working for my hair pretty well. So yeah, bring it up to like a ponytail, the top of your head. And yeah, look, that's a look right there. There we go. Wait till my hair grow a little longer. But yeah, then I like to split it into two parts. And I wrap the first part, or whichever part, around the scrunchie. And then I take the second part and wrap it around that. You know, making sure I tuck everything in, making it look nice and neat, because, you know, that's what we want. But honestly, I've seen some girls do theirs and they leave like little curls at the top, and I honestly think that's so cute. So I might try that one day. But got me another little band, just a little hairband, scrunchie type of thing, and just gonna wrap that around the top of my hair, kind of making sure I get all of those little curls stuck at the bottom, or kind of, you know, trapped in that band, because that's what we want. And see, here I am wiping off a little bit of mascara that got on my eye, because y'all know brushing hair, it be hard. Well, it don't be hard, but sometimes it be hurting, especially if you tender-headed like me. And I must have shed a little tear or something, and then my mascara drooped down, but you know what, it's okay. But for this next part, it's completely optional. I just chose to do it because I feel like it makes me look a little better, compliments my skin. Y'all, this edge brush is my sister's, so be very quiet. Do not tell her. And yeah, I'm gonna have to give that back to her though. Oops. But here I am starting out my edges. You know, I always like to start on this side of my head. I don't know what it is, but this side of my head is just better. And usually my edges turn out better or more fuller on this side, I guess. And yeah, honestly, this is also my favorite one to do, because it always just, you know, swoops nice. That's what we want, that nice swoop. And yeah. Also on this side, I usually swoop that part up too, but I just kind of, you know, let it hang down today. And I was like, you know what, we're gonna try something new. And that's what we did. And with this front part, y'all are gonna see me redo it, you know, but it's good to watch, I guess. Okay, so this side of my head right here, y'all, I do not like this side of my head. For some reason, my edges just never want to do right. And like, my hair grows weird on this side as well. Like, I don't know, like I got two different curl patterns. It's so weird. Y'all will see it on a later video. But here I am, kind of swooping that up, you know, making sure I look okay, making sure I look good, checking the mirror. If y'all see me looking over there, just come look in the mirror, that's all. And then, like I said about the front of my hair, here I am just going in, redoing that, making sure everything looks okay. And yeah, you guys, this is honestly the finished look. See how simple that was? Anyone can do it, promise you. But yeah, making sure we look good. Look at that. great. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are great. You guys are amazing. And honestly, stay tuned for more. And if you like this video, you know, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. Subscribing is free. You know, you help me out, and you know, I can help you guys out. So yeah, really hope you guys enjoyed. Again, ooh, my eye itching, don't mind that. But yeah, you guys, new videos every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday, posted at 5 o'clock. So definitely stay tuned. Bye, you guys.